Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is the chapter wise weightage from the physics side in the NEET exam. So here you know that from first year in intermediate 14 chapters are there, from second year 16 chapters are there. So total 30 chapters are there, but this year the speciality of this year is they are giving, instead of 45 questions from each subject, they are giving the 50 questions. Now I want to share with you in physics only. In physics total they are giving 50 questions, but they are dividing into two sessions. First session A and second one is the session B. In session A they are giving 35 questions. You have to give the answer to all. If you don't know that, don't give the answer, because each question carries the 4 marks. If it is any wrong, any doubtful is said, don't attempt that, because each question negative mark is carries -1 mark. In that session A there is no choice. When you are going to the session B, total they are giving 15 questions, but any 10 you can able to write. So that is, but overall they are allotting the marks for 45 questions. 45 into 4 is the 180 marks from the physics. So in first year you know that there are 14 chapters are there. First one is the physical world, second one is the units and measurements. But physical world, we are less chances are there to give that, but anyway this year choice is increasing, means we are expecting 1 question from the physical world and 2 questions from the units and measurements. Previous years they were giving that 2 questions. Many times they have covered that units and measurements. It's very easiest chapter. So here, instead of by hearting the dimensions, chapter wise you should learn. Otherwise daily 5 formulas and 5 units and 5 dimensional formulas you should by heart. It is useful for all chapters, not only for units and measurements. You will get somewhat grip on the other topics also. Anyway, from the physical world and units and measurements we are expecting 2 to 3 max. Minimum we are getting the 2 questions from the units and measurements. Then motion in a straight line we are expecting 1. Each one carries 4 marks, don't forget that. Then motion in a plane, it's very important chapter. Compulsory we are expecting 2 questions from the motion in a plane chapter. And one more thing I want to say to you here, motion in a straight line and motion in a plane, these two are the basics of that mechanics. If you are having the grip on these 2 chapters, not only for first year and second year topics also, you will get more knowledge and more confidence while doing that problem. So don't leave these 2 chapters. Motion in a straight line and motion in a plane are the basics of this mechanics, and in electricity also, while finding the result, and these are the basics of this entire physics in second year and first year as usual. Then from the laws of motion we are expecting 1, but this time we are expecting 2 also, because they increased from 45 to 50 questions. Then work energy power we are expecting 2, but system of particles and rotational motion, it is somewhat difficult chapter, but weightage wise this is the highest marks. We are expecting 3 questions from the system of particles and rotational motion. Then oscillations we can expect 1 question, and gravitation 1 question, mechanical properties of solids 1 question, and mechanical properties of fluids 1 question. When you are counting these 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 questions, 15 questions we are expecting from mechanics only. See, this from here to here we are saying that mechanics 15 questions. 15 into 4 how much? 60 marks we are expecting. 60 marks we are expecting. But this year 2 more questions we are expecting from the mechanics. See, look here, which is having more weightage. Units and measurements don't leave. Then motion in a plane and motion in a straight line don't leave. These are the basics, and weightage is also good. And from the work energy power is also 2 marks are there. This is the gravitation, mechanical properties of solids, and not 2 marks. This is the 2 questions. Don't confuse here. Then second thing is the first year only, but this is belongs to heat. In heat chapters, thermodynamics is the having the more weightage. We are expecting from the thermodynamics 2 to 3 questions. 3 questions we are expecting. From thermal properties of matter we are expecting 1 question, and kinetic theory we are expecting 1 question. So total we are expecting 5 questions. 5 questions from the heat topics, and here 15 questions we are expecting from this. So 15 plus 5 is the 20. 20 into 4 we are getting that 80 marks we are expecting. But this time they are increasing more questions, more 5 questions, means we are expecting from the laws of motion, and next one is the work energy power. Like that we can expect 2 more questions from the first year. So this is the overall weightage of the NEET from first year topics. So don't leave the units and measurements, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. The next one is the work energy power. If you are having more grip, you can go through the system of particles. Here 3 questions we are expecting, and thermodynamics. If you are reading thermodynamics and 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8, and here system of particles, then this is the 3 marks. 11 questions you can able to do. Oscillations and waves. When you are reading the oscillations from the first year topic, you will get the grip on the second year waves also. So here you read oscillations, and there you should learn that waves. You will get more scope is there to get the good marks. So this is the overall weightage from the first year topics. Like that we are going through the second year topics also. Here second year topics. From the waves we are expecting 1 question. So you can say 4 marks from this. From the ray optics, stress here, and here in this these chapters, ray optics, we are expecting 2 questions. See, this is the heart of these chapters: electric charges and fields, electric potential and capacitance, current, electricity. We are expecting 2 questions, and moving charges and magnetism, also very big chapter, we are expecting 3 questions. And modern physics, we are expecting 2 questions from the semiconductors, and remaining magnetism and matter, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic waves, dual nature, atoms, nuclei, we are expecting 1 questions. So this is the weightage from the second year topics. See, when you are going through the BPC students, you feel more easy while reading alternating current, electromagnetic waves, dual nature, atoms, nuclei, atoms. These 1, 2, 3, 4, and here electromagnetic induction, magnetism and matter. These are very simple chapters. While reading also you are getting more interest of these chapters. So we don't leave these chapters. But heart of this one is, look here, ray optics. Don't leave the electric. Those who want more score, don't leave the electricity topics. So overall, waves is 1 question, ray optics is 2 questions. Wave optics previous 2021 they didn't given, but this year they have increased to 50 marks, 50 questions, sorry. So that's why we are expecting compulsory from the wave optics. So each and every chapter we are expecting 1 question, big chapters, important topics, we are expecting 2 questions. So this is belongs to the modern physics. Modern physics overall we are expecting, this is 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 questions we are expecting. 8 4 is 32 marks we can gain if you are reading only these chapters. These are belongs to modern physics. And when you can go through the electricity, see, 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 9 plus this one is 10, alternating current 11. So this is like heart of all. Electricity is the heart. While mechanics, mechanics also very important in first year, like electricity is important in second year. These are the scoring of from the second year topics. So overall we are expecting how many questions from these? We are expecting 23 questions. 23 questions from the second year and 22 questions from the first year. Then finally, so total what happens? Total this is the 45 questions. But big chapters we are expecting 2 questions, like current, electricity we can expect 3 also, because they have increased more 5 questions. So anyway, the time for NEET exam this year is 3 hours 20 minutes. Okay, total marks from the physics side is 180, but overall total marks is 720 marks, because 4 subjects are there. So this is the session wise. Session A 35 questions, no choice in that. Session B choice is there, out of 15 you can able to attempt that 10 questions, but negative marking is there. If it is wrong, you are losing the 1 mark. So any pending doubt and you don't know, don't attempt that questions. So all the best my dear students. Okay, I hope you understood this weightage. 99% we are expecting like this, and 1% we can't say about it. So if you understood, share this video and follow my videos. Many people are following my videos, they are having the confusion. When you are subscribing my channel, you will get the playlist in Rishit's physics classes playlist is there. In that playlist, clearly crash course is there. Day 1, day 2, day 3, mixing of that all first year and second year topics. And these days I am explaining previous year MSET questions also. So follow the videos. I hope you can understand and it is useful for further competitive exams. It may be MSET or it may be NEET or it may be mains. Okay, thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel.